You fight a lot of zombie-like thingies. They're annoying as hell to kill. They're not tough, they're just annoying as hell.
Boom!
But then again, I guess anything gets annoying once you play this game for that long.
Yeah. Oh crap, I'm dead!
Oh, hey,
I
look,
was
you died.
not paying attention.
Oh, I died too.
I'm just gonna use all this gold. They do so much damage! Oh, there's a ton of them, that's why. Ah! They're following me. Well, I'm glad I didn't make the decision to just do it with weapons. I need to use
You
my,
have no defense.
Shadow Dash more, because it kills me. What the? Oh.
Now let's go this way.
Nope, this way. This way is way
Fine.
better. Oh crap! Chewbacca's
sure?
ugly sister. No. Oh, goodbye, Chewbacca's ugly sister. She just exploded. Oh crap! How many
Well,
ugly sisters did you have, man?
Their parents were very horny, apparently.
Oh yeah, very busy.
See, look,
And
they have horns.
extremely ugly.
See, look, they have horns, so they're very horny. Ah.
That's stupid.
So's your
That
mother.
sounds like a joke I would make, which is why it's stupid.
Finally, you agree.
I've always known. No. Can you make tornadoes?
No, that was me.
Well, duh, I just asked, can you make tornadoes? No, that was me.
No, I said no, that wasn't me.
Oh, okay.
Jeez.
I haven't been using my main abilities. Hey, they have a similar ability to me. Bam! Oh, that was a goblin sack. I'm afraid of what the— oh, that's a bomb! Oh, I leveled up! Here, I'm gonna whack this goblin sack right in its sack. Vitality. Lots more vitality. More vitality. When do I level? When can I? Oh, I can. Okay, Storm Hatchet or Raise. Shadowbind. What does this do? Bind a group of foes within a 5-meter radius of town. Okay, I'll do that. I love my ability, it's so awesome. Ah, this hurts my ears.
What happened?
My headset. I've been wearing it all day because I've been... Well, no, I take that back. I haven't really been here all day is the thing. I've been doing computer work stuff. I've actually been contracted. Oh yeah. Before anyone says that sounds so awesome, it's not really. I get paid less than minimum wage while I'm doing this one.
Wait, what have you been doing?
Computer work, installing computers for people. Literally,
Oh.
by installing computers, I mean just hooking them up. Basically, putting the power cord in, attaching the monitor to them.
I died.
This is why you use potions.
It's not my fault he attacked me with everything at once.
Well, duh. He's kind of hoping to kill you instead of dying.
I'm gonna go a separate way just to
do
something.
Are you gonna complete that sentence?
Nope.
Nope. Alright, well, okay. Goodbye, one-eyed Willie's other eye. Wait, I thought I did that already.
Is that gonna be your new catchphrase?
Yes. Iron Ember Spec, ranged weapon damage bonus. Cause that's all incredibly helpful to me. I got a Savage Culverin, which is an enchanted cannon thing. Holy crap, Shadow Dash is so helpful, the heal it gives. Oh, just dashed into him and he exploded!
Explosions! Whee!
non-existent. It does have one, but it's literally a second. You can just chug potions by the hundreds, can't you? What are we looking for down here anyway?
I don't know. I'm currently going through what
Acquire
you've killed.
3 journals in the Ice Deep Caverns. Wait, we've been this way, but we're not this way. I'm gonna complete my map. It's the map, it's the map, it's the map, it's the map.
The map, it's the map! It died!
Yeah! Unidentified shoulders. Okay.
Why is everything so unidentified? Why can't I just get an identity, damn it? Stop having the identity crisis.
Pause. Oh, hello. I found some enemies. Hey, no, that's my thing. Oh dear.
Why is it that whenever we try to venture together, we end up getting separated?
Completely apart, yeah.
And then whenever we try to go separately, we end up
crap! I
dying.
found Chewbacca's ugly sister.
I died again, what the hell?
Use your freaking health potion.
I did use my health potion, it wouldn't let me do it again.
No. Why are we fighting like these little chew wannabes?
You puppies?
Chew wannabes. I'm gonna call them
These-
jelly babies.
Jelly babies, what the hell?
Yeah, like jelly babies.
What the hell are you talking about?
I have no idea. I have not known since the day I was born, okay? I was born not knowing what the heck I was talking about. Like every baby, but still. Because, you know, blah, 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 and it's just like, oh, he said mommy.
Oh, I thought he said blah 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 blah.
No, he said mommy.
You and I,
and then
you
you're
and
like,
I
okay,
have
okay,
two.
okay.
You and I have two very different versions of mommy.
Oh, that reminds me. Never mind. I won't go
That reminds you of your own mother. What?
there. No, no. Look at these things. There's. Chewbacca must have been like the front.
Chewbacca must be full of glitter. What?
the runt of the litter.
Oh.
Dear God. This is just where they dump them. Like
They dumped them in
Chewbacca's
this
parents
game.
were just like, this thing is way too horrifying to keep alive. Let's just dump it in the caves and hope it goes away.
sounds like how I was born.
What? Holy crap, that's a lot of enemies. I should probably use my thunderbolts. Boom! Alright, are they all dead? Look at all these dead
Nope.
bodies. Oh dear. I like being able to dodge out of this guy's, his name was Mike. Mike Frostbender. Everyone saw that. Ow, what is going on? Alright, time to use a health potion! Earth King my butt. Oh crap! What is going on? I can't see anything.
You died.
Holy crap, that thing exploded! I like how everything sort of explodes. Like, I don't think has there ever been like this time, like this great medieval battle, okay? Vikings are like invading England or something, okay? They're raiding. This guy hits this guy with an axe and he just explodes! This doesn't work like that.
Where the hell are these journals?
I don't know! I'm just coming down here to murder everyone. I've just been beating up all these goblin sacks. Oh, there's actually a way in here. Oh wow, there's a ton of stuff in here. I just picked up so much freaking loot. Where are this? Maybe we're in like the entirely wrong place. We might be doing something wrong. I feel like we should have found at least one of them by now.
You would think so, right?
Yeah, I like being able to dash around the place. Oh, I'm low on mana. Oh, mana potion. Where are they? We've been down here. Wait,
Did we
this
skip
is
a
said
place?
to be floor 1. So
That could be that probably doesn't mean anything. Oh hey.
I
Oh,
know,
hey, I
but
found
it
something.
specifically said floor 1. Wait, what'd you find?
I found another path.
Ooh, I'm on my way. Holy crap. I love this Shadow Dash ability. It's the best thing ever. More of these things. Seriously. I'm pretty sure my panda just killed this there.
No, it doesn't.
I look like a pro. We both have the exact same. Whoa! Holy crap. Where did he come from? We
From
both
your
have
mother,
the
Eddie.
exact same helmet.
Yep, and we look like dunces. Ugh. Well, there is another floor, cause look down there.
Shillhoof. That sounds fun. That doesn't sound like a boss whatsoever, does it?
No, not at all. Come on, let's go down to the obviously not a boss room.
I told you it was our floor. Told you there was more than one floor. I don't know where you jerks came from, but go back! You're so freaking hideous! Oh man, wait, here. Oh, more unidentified pants, which is the best thing ever. Just some unidentified pants. Hello?
That'll brighten your day.
Wait, what am I doing here? Oh. I'm accidentally, putting stuff on. Just inventory time!
Yep.
Paired
Inventory time
cavalry
now.
axe or superior cavalry axe. Whoa! Oh, it's a long axe. I was like, holy crap, that increase in damage, but nope.
Hmm.
This is actually in every way better. So now I can stuff random enchantments into it. What is this? Is it better? In some ways, but not here at least. Cloven hoof mantle. Cool.
I have that too.
But
Also have cloven hoof
pretty sure
pants.
that would be better for outside of this cave, because I'm pretty sure what we're gonna be fighting.
Are cloven hooves?
No, it's gonna be a lot of ice stuff. Requires level 23. Then why can I wear it? Are we level 23?
Oh no! Look at the bottom. It says level. It's usually like level 23 or strength something something.
Oh,